Little storyteller.
Whiskers, the cat, was sleek and gray, with bright green eyes that twinkled. She loved her cozy home, especially the little door, just her size, that let her slip in and out. "This is the cat flap," she purred one sunny morning to Blue, a big floppy-eared dog with a wagging tail. "It's my special way to go outside." Whiskers gently pushed the flap with her head, then gracefully stepped through. The little door swung back and forth. "See?" she meowed from the other side, her tail held high like a furry flag. Blue watched with wide, curious eyes. He wiggled his nose, and took a step closer to the small door. He lowered his big head and tried to push through, just like Whiskers. Thump! Blue's head went through the flap, but his shoulders were too broad. He wiggled and wiggled, his floppy ears bouncing, but he was stuck. Whiskers giggled, her tiny bell collar jingling. Whiskers came back inside, and looked up at Blue's stuck head. She tapped his nose gently with her paw. "Silly Blue," she purred. "This door is just for little cats like me." Then Whiskers trotted over to the big back door. She stood on her hind legs, and scratched at it. Tap, tap, tap. Soon the big door opened, letting in a rush of sunshine and fresh air. Blue finally unstuck, wagged his whole body with joy and bounded outside. Whiskers followed, weaving between his legs. They played together in the sunny garden all day long. Blue chased butterflies with clumsy leaps, and Whiskers stalked playful shadows. Even though Blue couldn't use the cat flap, they both found a way to enjoy the outdoors. It was fun to have different ways to do things.
Please subscribe. Thank you.